Mandy here. I'm just coming to share my latest journal that I've created. This is where I'm getting the most joy with crafting at the moment. My Mojo's done one. It's gone. I think it's gone on Christmas holiday earlier. And so what I'm doing when I've got no card making or paper crafting, Mojo, I love making my journals. So this is from the Arty Maze, and that's ARTYMAZE, in case you can't understand my accent. And if you Google that name, then you will find her Etsy shop, which is where she sells all of her digital kits. They're beautiful. I love them. It's my little hobby. And so this is called A Winter's Tale, and it's beautiful, beautiful kit. So here it's a TN style. I've used some heavyweight cardstock, 2 layers of. We've got some Stampin' Up DSP there, which is a snowflakey one, and then I've covered it with an acrylic wax seal. Okay, and then we've layered on. We've got some lace behind there. We've got some more paper. There's what I call spider web there, which is like, it's hard to explain, white spider web. Then we've got the image on some more cardstock, and it's sewn. And then I've fussy cut these beautiful kind of appliques from some material that was sent to me, and it's all sequined and then beaded, and then there's some little rhinestones round and about. I think they're rhinestones. No, they're not rhinestones. They're little tiny seed beads. They just look like crystals. They're beautiful. We've got a seam bind closure using eyelets. Okay, I think I've got about, I think it's about 90 pages. I can't remember how many pages is in it, but it's a highly decorative one. And we've got some little bead dangles coming off the side. I've used lots of lace. So on the inside here we've got this lovely pocket. It's like a fold over pocket. We've got a beautiful tag there. Do we need to zoom out a right little bit? Zoom out a right little bit. And some little tags here, and this is part of the kit, and I've added some lace to it. And then here I've got a pocket, side pocket here that I've created. All sewn, every page is sewn. We've got some sari silk here, some lace, and then with the tags there I've added sari silk and stitching, and it's just lovely. I've put loads and loads of time into it. Here's a little cluster with some lace and some sari silk and some little banners. And then here's a little bit of collaging that I did, and we've got some more lace. More sari silk, bit of lace, napkin, bit of collage, and we've got the beautiful digital images there. And then here we've got one of the lovely pockets, and we've got some rhinestone there, beautiful. And then here I've made a tuck spot sewn on. We've got this is a, trying to race the camera because I'm on a low battery. This is like a trifold, and I've done stenciling. There's a lot of stenciling throughout the book as well. And then we've got this little bit here that slides up and down. I don't really know the reason for it, I just thought it was fun. All stitched again, and then this one flips out like so. You can write on there. I've left some plain, and then here I've added some paper, different kinds of paper for writing. Here we've got some vellum. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there you go. I have embossed it with fir trees. Okay, beautiful, and sewn along the bottom as well. Next page, digital image. We've got some lace and some stenciling. And then here we've got a little miniature tri-fold out tag and a little dangle. And that holds this all in place, which is a pocket. It's sewn at the bottom. We've got some journaling cards in there, all hand sewn and backed with cardstock, so they're nice and sturdy. And then I've added a little bit more of that kind of beaded trim there. And some lace. We've got a doily. This is velvet feel vellum. Beautiful. More digital image. Here we've got a beautiful pocket. I've just added a little fabric cluster there with some sari silk and some lace. We've got stenciling in the background. Okay, beautiful. And here I've just done a little tiny mini cluster with some writing. It says Winter Days. And there I've got the beautiful images. I've kind of cut and shut. This page has been glued onto here to make a pocket. And there we've got a journaling card in there. So it's quite a deep pocket there. And then I've just done some stenciling. And that's the centre signature with the beautiful fox. The images are absolutely beautiful. It's been zigzag sewn very neatly all the way around. I can't do the crazy stitching that some people do where it's all wiggly and it looks really cool. My brain won't let me. So mine's done as neat as possible. So more stenciling. There we've got another lovely stag there. Here we've got a little tag, and the paper clip that it's held onto has been decorated with lace, and then these little flowers, these little silk flowers. Okay, stenciling behind there. And then we've got the other side of the velvet feel vellum, so it's nice and touchy-feely. Okay, I've left that one plain for writing, but we've got lace on. And then here we've got a little pocket with just some ephemera from the kit, little journaling card and a tag. I just add little paper clips so that people can add things to, and also to stop these falling about. So here's the back side of the embossed vellum. It's beautiful, really, really lovely, and you can write on vellum. And then there's the back side of the writing page, plain writing pages. We've got just plain paper, and then this is like ledger paper. And then here I've added various ephemera. We've got tickets, we've got journaling cards, and held on with a little dingle dangle, all blue themed. And then on the other side I've just added some more tickets, and we've got some journaling space there. Here we've got quite a deep pocket with some lace on. We've got a journaling card that opens up for writing. We've got a lovely tag. This one I made myself using I collaged all my scraps and made that one, and added some lace, so that goes in there. There's quite a lot of ephemera. It's packed full, is this little journal. Okay, and there again we've got another one of the little tags. This is some scrapbooking paper. Beautiful, I love this. I hope I'm not going out of shot. I am a bit, aren't I? Sorry, I'm sliding about. We've got another pocket there. We've got some beaded trim and some lace. It's full of little tags and tickets and journaling. And then here on the back, I made a little envelope style wallet from one of the digital images. Covered it all with acrylic wax to protect it, and just sewed it with the sewing machine to turn it into a pocket to store things in. I think I've put a couple of doilies in there, but it's been left for you to put your keepsakes, receipts maybe, photographs, who knows, whatever. And then it's all fastened up with lovely seam binding. Now I do make these and then sell them, so if you're interested, just shoot me a message. Along with this, I will be adding these two tags as well, so whoever purchases this will get these two completely handmade tags by me. So this one is some collaging and a napkin. It's all glittered. And that's a large tag, and I made it and then it's too large to go in, so this, whoever purchases this will get these two tags, and this is handmade as well. So I did a big sheet of collage and then cut it up. We've got some muslin there, we've got one of the owls fussy cut from the kit, and then some book page lace and some wording. So I'll just stick those in the same because they're too big to go in. So there you go, that's what I've been up to. I'll be back when I do some more crafting, and I will share it with you. If anybody's interested in purchasing any of my journals, do let me know. Just message me on here, shoot me an email, or come on over and find me on Facebook. I'm never far away. Thanks for watching. Bye.